So welcome back. This one will be a quick one. We just have to move this here. So you show what's happened, and this is huge actually. This will be a really cool functionality. So let's create here a composable like this. Fun. We can call this view form like this. Okay. And we can pass everything here inside. Okay. So here pass our modifier like this, and here we can also create a lambda here. So on val change like this one. So on a change, you return a string, you expect a string and can return nothing. So and we can just use this on val change here and on value change. So here we can just call this one. So let's call on value change like this, and we're gonna paste the value that we are typing in your view input field. So what's happening here is every time I type some value here and I make my action, so this value will be back on whatever place we're calling this one. So we can do this here. We can pass view form here like this. Here we can pass our modifier equals modifier like this, and we can just let's call the value that we getting back like type amount like this, for example. And what's happening here is I'm typing some value here, and then my action is triggered when I click in the button on my keyboard, and then whenever value I typed will going back to here. So this is the main functionality that we going build here, because you can just take this. For example, let's make a logd like this. Let's make a logd, for example. Let's call, I will let tag, so you can filter this, and here we can tip amount, and we can just get this tip amount, for example 2 inch like this, and we can multiply to 0.3. so we're getting basically 30% from our total amount. For example, we're gonna do this dynamically with a bar, but just to see how you can use this one, how powerful this on value change, this lambda, this callback here. So we can pass a padding here for this one. Let's make a padding, for example, int p, like that. So I run this way now. So just update my UI like this. So fine. And here we can see in the lookat if everything is working. Let's filter like we typed here, tag. Let's clear this, and if I type 100, we should see 30% when I click here. So look, 30%, and 1000. Press enter. So this works fine. 1.5. Okay. So for now is this. I think it's a really cool thing. So I want to let this alone in this class, because it's a really cool thing that we will just learned, and we can use this in many ways. So I think that's it.